Hello everyone. Today our group will explain an important concept in immunology called MHC restriction.
MHC means Major Histocompatibility Complex. It is a group of proteins on the surface of our cells. The job of MHC is to present antigens, small pieces of pathogens, to T cells. There are two types of MHC. MHC class 1 is found on almost all cells. It shows antigens from inside the cells, such as viral proteins. MHC class 2 is found only on special immune cells. It shows antigens that comes from outside, like bacteria. So class 1 and class 2 have different but complementary roles. MHC restriction means that T cells can only recognize an antigen with our own MHC. Now, let's look at this slide. T cells need both signals, the antigen itself and the MHC molecule presenting it. T cells cannot react to antigen alone, and they cannot react to MHC alone. Only when antigen and MHC are together can T cells recognize and respond. This combination gives T cells the full information they need to respond. Let's look at another example. In experiments, scientists use mice with different MHC types. One mouse has type A MHC and another has type B MHC. These MHC types act like unique identity tags for each mouse's immune system.
We infect both mice with the same virus. Then we collect infected cells from both mice and T cells only from the A mouse. We culture the infected cells together with the A mouse T cells in a Petri dish to observe which cells the T cells react to. T cells from A mouse reacted to infected cells from the A mouse, but not to infected cells from the B mouse. This shows that T cells recognize the combination of self-MHC and antigen.
Why does this happen? During T cell development in the thymus, immature T cells undergo positive selection. Only T cells that can recognize self-MHC receive survival signals. Therefore, all mature T cells are educated to respond only to antigens presented by self-MHC.
T cells recognize antigens only when they are presented with self-MHC. This combination allows T cells to attack foreign invaders but not the body's own tissues. It prevents mistakes and keeps the immune system safe.
If MHC restriction did not exist, several serious problems will occur. Autoimmunity. T cells might attack our own tissues, and poor pathogen recognition. T cells will not correctly identify infected cells. And transplant rejection. T cells would attack any cell with foreign MHC. So MHC restriction is essential for safe and accurate immune responses. To summarize, MHC is important for antigen presentation. T cells recognize antigens only with self-MHC. This property is shaped in their thymus, and without MHC restriction, immunity would become dangerous and uncontrolled. Thank you for listening.